Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are not going to do any cooking, but I'm going to share a small tip with you. How to remove the seed from avocado easily. I hope it will be useful to you and you like it. Here we have a nice ripe avocado. I will show you how to de-seed it effortlessly. Take a sharp knife, first cut it into two halves, lengthwise. Now just with a little twist, separate them. To remove the seed, take a large knife, sharp and large knife, just hit on the seed hard once. With a little twist, lift it up and the seed is out effortlessly. How neatly it has come out, with all the pulp is intact, nothing is stuck to the seed. This is an easy way and simplest way of removing the seed. Now we can use it in any way we like. Avocado is a very healthy fruit. It can be classified as a fruit or a vegetable, both. With a spoon, scoop it out. If it is ripe avocado, the flesh comes out very easily. It's also nicknamed as butterfruit or butter pear because of the buttery texture of the pulp. Now here we have removed the pulp. This can be used for smoothies, parathas, breads, sandwiches. You can spread it on the sandwich. Now I'll show you how to slice it. For that you again cut it into two halves, which means quarters. And the skin can be peeled easily this way. Peel it out. Now you can remove any black part, overripe part if it is there under the fruit, and slice it. This can be used for sandwiches, salads. These days people have come up with a lot of innovative recipes. So you can try out many recipes with this healthy fruit or vegetable, whatever you call it. Make sure you buy a ripe one, which is perfect. So here we go. It's done. Cutting is done. So the slices can be used for salads and the pulp can be mashed. This can be used in many ways to make parathas, rotis, dips, or you can even spread it on the buttered toast and enjoy. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.